In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment to Pandadoc document. To begin, open Pandadoc and go to the document or template where you want to collect payment. This can be something like a proposal, agreement, or invoice-style document. Make sure you are in the editor view so you can add and configure blocks directly on the page. Next, find the payment option in the editor. Click Payment, then select Add to Document. Pandadoc will place a payment block into your document. This block is what allows recipients to pay you during the signing or completion process, depending on how your document is set up. Once the payment block is on the page, click directly on that block so its options appear. Then select Set Up. This is where you connect a payment provider and define what your recipient will be charged. If you have multiple payment blocks or multiple sections in your document, always confirm you are configuring the correct block before moving forward. Now choose your payment gateway. You may see options such as Stripe or PayPal. Select the gateway you want to use, then click Connect. If this is your first time connecting, Pandadoc will guide you through authorizing the account. Take your time here and make sure you connect the correct business account, since this is where payments will be deposited. After your gateway is connected, set the currency and the amount. Choose the currency your customer should pay in, then enter the payment amount you want to collect. If your document includes a pricing table, you can link the payment amount to that table instead of typing a fixed number. This is useful when totals change based on quantities, optional items, discounts, or taxes, because it helps keep your payment request aligned with the final pricing shown in the document. When everything looks correct, click Done to save the payment setup. Before sending, do a quick review of the document to confirm the payment block is visible and the amount and currency match what you intended. Finally, send the document as you normally would. Once the recipient opens it, they will be able to complete the payment using the method supported by the gateway you connected. And that covers everything you need to know.